Hi guys, by the time you see this video, the time changes. The time changes on Sunday coming, which is the 14th. Spring is around the corner and the time changes like an hour ahead. Guys, look at this. I don't have to say the topic. You see, okay? Eyes are made to see. Okay, ears are made to air. Lips are made to taste, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, guys. When I was shrinking fibroid, I made this pizza and it was so delicious, right? Because I was taking, or when I was trying to diet, I made this pizza, guys. Look at this pizza. One vegetarian, one meat, and it's made from cauliflower. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at the structure. Right, if you'd like to see the way I make this, how I make this pizza, please watch the video to the end. So guys, this is the cauliflower I'm working with. So guys, I'm going to cut up this cauliflower here and rice the cauliflower. Because as you can see, it's getting bad. I have to use it before it goes bad. So I'm going to cut this cauliflower up. So guys, I tried to get the bad pieces off and it's still fresh. It's pretty fresh cauliflower, and I'm just going to break them. Break the pieces or cut it. You could break it or cut it. The florets, and then I'm going to wash it and put it in my veggie bullet. And it's still pretty fresh cauliflower, see? As well as you could buy the cauliflower that's already riced at the store. So guys, I have my cauliflower florets. I broke them up and cut them up. And also guys, if you don't have a veggie bullet, you can also, if you don't want to buy it at the store and you buy your cauliflower, if you buy the cauliflower whole, you can grate it. And now that I have riced my cauliflower, guys, let me get you to see closer. The cauliflower, the veggie bullet did a good job. You would have to grate it, okay? If you don't have a veggie bullet, you would have to grate it or buy the one that's already riced. Next step will be to make the cauliflower pizza I am so excited about. Now guys, over here are my ingredients for the pizza. I have basil here, onion, 2 eggs. Well guys, I'm gonna be making 2 pizza. If it was 1 pizza, then all I need is 1 egg, but I'm making 2 pizzas, so I need 2 eggs. My pepper here and parchment paper, and one will be vegetarian and one will be with meat. So that's my variety pack there of it's an Italian sub, pepperoni, salami, smoked ham, and here's my marinara sauce, pizza sauce. All you need is probably the marinara sauce, guys, but I choose to get both, and I have mozzarella cheese here. I may not need so much cheese, but your cheese. And this is spinach, because as I said, and this is the Italian sub that I bought from Carlos. That this is optional. You don't have to if you don't have this, because the sauce is already flavored, right? So, and then over here I have measured, guys. I have measured. Remember I said I'm making 2 pizza crusts, 2 pizzas. So if it was 1 pizza, I needed only 2 cups of the cauliflower rice, So I'm making 2 pizzas, so I measured out 4 cups of the cauliflower. 4 cups of the cauliflower rice, guys, and as you can see, there's no oil or anything in the pot, okay? It's just a clean pot. I measured the 4 cups of cauliflower that has been riced, and yeah, I have the stove on, and then I'm just trying to get the water, the moisture to evaporate from the cauliflower. I'm not cooking it or anything, just to get the moisture to evaporate, and I needed to get it to cool a bit, you know, before forming it. So I'm gonna do this ahead of time, and then I'm gonna prep my veg. So that's what I'm doing with the stove on, like on halfway medium. I'm just gonna get it to get warm here and get the moisture to evaporate for about like 5-10 minutes. You know, you're not cooking. And then in the meantime, while this is cooling, then I'll prep the vegetables. As I'm truly excited about this recipe. I hope you are too. I love cauliflower pizza. You know, if you're going on a special diet and you're craving pizza, then this is a good way to get pizza in your diet. There's no flour here, no butter. So I'm gonna do this for about 5-10 minutes and let it cool. And turn the flame up a bit higher because the pot is not hot. So I'm gonna set aside to cool, guys. 7 to 10 minutes later, set it aside to cool. Then I'm gonna prep the veg. So guys, I allowed the cauliflower to cool, and I'm gonna bind 1 egg. Remember, I doubled the recipe, guys. Okay, I made 4 cups instead of 2 cups, so I have 2 eggs, but first I'm gonna work with 1 egg to see how it goes. Actually, I need to beat this egg up, guys. Let me beat the eggs up. I'm gonna be adding 2 cups of cheese. As I told you, I doubled the recipe. As here I have a cup of mozzarella cheese. I think the recipe asks for parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese would be better, but I have mozzarella, so I'm gonna work with the mozzarella. So this is a cup of mozzarella cheese. And if you're using just half of the ingredient, guys, it would be just 1 cup. But because, as I said, I doubled the recipe, I'm going to be putting 2 cups. So I have 2 different kinds of mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to be putting that one and this one. The first one is colored. So let me measure out another cup. Another cup of cheese, guys, and I have to test the texture. If it's not binding properly, I might have to add the other egg, because I only put 1 egg and the recipe asks for 2 eggs. But from the look of things, I think I'm gonna put the other egg, because the way it feels with the cheese, I'm gonna put the other egg because the recipe asks for 2 eggs. And guys, at this time the oven is preheating at 400 degrees. Because you need to get it to bind properly, okay? I'm gonna form it into the shape of the pizza. Remember, there's no flour here, so you need the egg to hold it together. And the next cup of cheese, because as I said, I'm doubling. I'm making 2 pizza crust from the cauliflower. So if it was 1 pizza, it would be 1 cup of cheese and 1 egg and 2 cups of cauliflower rice. turn this out on a parchment paper. So guys, I told you I'm working with double the recipe, and I would like to get 2 pizzas. So let me see if I can measure out. Yeah, so you know, you combine the egg and the cheese together. I choose to get the mixtured color cheese, guys. You could get one color, okay? But I think the recipe says parmesan cheese is better, but you know, you could use mozzarella cheese also, because this cheese is a pizza cheese. So I doubled the recipe. Let me measure it out so I can get 2 even crust. You have to try and form the, remember we're working with cauliflower, guys. This is not flour, right? So you have to use your hand to form it and leave a thickness to it. You don't want to make it too thin, you know, make it in the shape of a pizza. And because I'm going to be making 1 vegetarian and 1 with meat, so you know, separate crust I'm making. So flatten it out, not too flat, not too thin, with your hands, and then you shape it up. Shape the edges. And the oven is preheating at 400 degrees. The edges, make the edges a bit thick, guys, you know. Now guys, while the pizza cauliflower is in the oven, I'm gonna let it allow it to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You know, if I say 20 minutes, then you know I check in 15 minutes. So here I have prepared 2 basil or basil, I don't know how you pronounce it, basil leaves chopped up here, and pepper sorted, tomato, onion, not much, and like a handful of spinach. So guys, it depends on you how much you like, right? How much of what you put, as much. And then the Italian sub here, variety pack, pepperoni, salami, and smoked ham. So one of them is gonna be meat and one will be meat free. Let me open this pack here, and I think with the size of these meat, I'm gonna cut them in 2. Yeah, 2 sizes of each, okay. And then, you know, I'm just gonna cut these in smaller pieces. So you cut them as in whatever shape you want, guys, and whatever size. And yeah, the pizza is in the oven, so we'll check in 15 minutes. I think it's 5 minutes gone into. So, you know, I'm giving it 20 minutes, but I'm gonna check in 15 minutes. It's baking at 400 degrees. I'm gonna be putting on the topping the marinara sauce. And I also have pizza sauce, but I might use just a bit of both. You can use one. You could use marinara sauce or the pizza sauce. I choose to use both, guys. And also the Italian seasoning, I probably will just rub up a bit into the sauce, like sprinkle it on when I put the sauce on. But as I said, it's optional because, you know, the sauce here is supposed to be tasty enough when you purchase it. As well as you could make your own sauce, you know, if you're... So guys, after 15 minutes, I realize it's forming, but it smells really delicious. So what I did, I turn it from 400 to 350, as well as if you want to go to 300, I'll leave it at 350. Looking good. 5 more minutes, guys. Something smells good. Hey, I can't wait, guys. Are you excited? Guys, please comment down below at this point, okay? Comment down below and give the video a thumbs up if you are excited about this pizza. Oh my god, something smells good here. Something smells good here, guys. I'm excited. Please give the video a thumbs up. Look at this. Look at this. I allowed it so, you know, combining the egg and the cheese allows the... and putting it in the oven allows the pizza to solidify and get some integrity, some structure to the pizza. And at this point, I'm not done and I'm excited. We got pizza there, no flour. It's a cauliflower dough, I should say, or cauliflower form shape made. Guys, I'm so excited. I am excited. I have had this pizza before and I truly enjoy it, and I have to be careful how I'm handling that. Guys, as I told you, this was optional. I won't use it because the sauce, guys, I am telling you, the sauce is so good. I love the sauce, marinara sauce. Let me use a spoon here. And as I said, you don't have to use both sauces, guys. You can use one. But to me, the pizza sauce has more flavor. To me, this one has more flavor. So the choice is yours if you want to use. And I'm putting enough sauce just to spread all over. It smells really good. I'm so excited, guys. I love this. You know, you want pizza and you're told not to take a break from flour and carbs and you're trying to lose weight, that kind of thing. This is perfect. It may even taste better, I'd say, than the actual pizza with the... Or it's a way of making your cauliflower. I never liked cauliflower before. Yeah, so you put your sauce all over. I never liked cauliflower before, guys, but as I said, you don't like something, you find a way. Find a way to enjoy it, you know, and prepare it. Same as celery. I never loved celery, but the celery juice I'll drink. So it's just a matter of you trying to find a way to... Yeah, so I'm gonna spread it all over to make it look, you know, like your pizza that you would order out at Pizza or Pizza Hut. And this is veteran I think the pizza, guys, the cauliflower pizza, you can't try it there. You have to buy a whole, or you have to buy an entire whole pizza. You sprinkle your cheese if you like mushroom. I'm not a mushroom person, guys, so I didn't get mushroom. And I'm gonna put the topping on and put it in the oven for 10 minutes. So as I said, one it will be, so this is so this is strictly vegetarian, this one. So that was the basil or basil. That's spinach, baby spinach, tomatoes, the tomatoes, and then I'll put my onion, pepper, this is strictly vegetarian. And the other one will be vegetarian and meat. Vegetarian and meat. Guys, I'm excited. It smells good. It smells good. And I really want you to try the recipe. Choice is yours how much topping you want to put. Put some more cheese on top of this. Time for the oven, 10 more minutes in the oven. And guys, how can I say no, but I have to put a little bit more sauce on top here. Come on guys, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss any upload. Time to go in the oven for 10 more minutes. On its way guys, almost there. A couple more minutes, 5 more minutes, and I shut this oven off. It's looking really good. I love it. Yum 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 yum. Come on guys, give the video a thumbs up please. Comment down below, okay, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss another upload. 10 minutes later. 10 minutes later. Look at my pizza. It looks good. Now guys, I'm gonna cut the pizza. I'm so excited. Oh, I am truly excited. I can taste the slice, right? Guys, I wish you were close by to taste this pizza. I need a pizza cutter. Actually, I do have a pizza cutter, guys, but just look at that. If you don't care to have meat, veggie is fine. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at the cheese. I'm licking my fingers, guys. So good. So guys, making the pizza dough with flour, you have to be worrying about, you know, the pastry coming out the proper way. But this pizza, guys, anybody can make it. Anyone can make it. Okay, look at it. Okay, now I'm gonna taste it. Watch me bite into this pizza. It is so good. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. Okay, for the moment of truth, which one do you want me to taste first? Okay, I am holding on to the one with the meat first. Look at it. You see the way it's held up? See the way it's held up, guys? Look, let me get you to examine the crust. See? Look. It's really delicious. It's good. See the structure of the pizza? It's got some integrity. Holds together. Firm. I love it. I really love this pizza, guys. And I think I may enjoy it. I may enjoy it better than the one with the flour. Thanks to cauliflower. I never loved cauliflower until I started making this pizza. When I was shrinking fiber, guys, and I wanted pizza, this was what I made. Cauliflower pizza, and also when I, you know, when I'm on a diet. So good. I love it. Guys, thanks for joining me in another video, and please leave a comment down below. And if you so happen that you try this pizza, guys, I would like for you to leave a comment in the comment section, and also in the description area I will put the recipe for this pizza, guys, because I really want to, you know, share it to you in every way. And thanks again, guys. Love you, and see you in the next video. Guys, I can't stop eating my coffee and my cauliflower pizza. Cauliflower pizza and coffee. Yum yum.